The Cook Islands, the idyllic beach destination that you probably haven't heard of. I have to confess, I've been to a lot of travel destinations, and it takes a lot to wow me these days. But the Cook Islands? This place was as life-changing as my first kiss. But without the awkward braces and bad breath, the Cook Islands is a hidden gem that has yet to be overrun by tourists. And I almost don't want to share it with you because I want it all to myself. This is a no-brainer, but I'm going to say it anyway. The water around the Cook Islands is bluer than a Smurf convention. The sand is whiter than a Kardashian's teeth, and the coral is more colorful than a Lisa Frank poster. It's like swimming in a watercolor painting. To continue with us on this hidden gem, hit the subscribe button to stay connected.